Mm-hmm. 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 Dear world, tell me what Haiti did to you. Why you break our wings when we try to fly through? You stole our gold, you burned our truth, you scattered our people like forgotten roots. You hurt our children, you killed our sons, turned our nights dark, stole our sons. You pushed us out, displaced our home. Now we survive the lands unknown. Yeah, we still stand, yeah, we still rise. Tears in our hearts, but fire in our eyes.
Dear world,
what did Haiti do to you?
got all this pain.
We keep going.
We gave you freedom,
We show the way.
paid with blood for Independence Day.
Dear world, tell me what is our crime for breaking chains before our time? We planted liberty for all to see. Now borders close only for me. We told the world the meaning of brave, how to fight for freedom, how to never be slaves. But as a thank you, we paid the price, stepped on our back, sacrifice on sacrifice. Brothers and sisters bathing in blame, Caribbean blood, but don't say our name. Same sea, same sun, same sky above, yet we get hatred instead of love.
Still we help,
Still we give.
still we give, still we give.
Even wounded, we choose to live. Dear world, what did Haiti do to you?
Why all this pain?
We keep going through
We
it.
gave you freedom,
We show the way. Paid with blood for Independence Day. Dear world, tell me what is our crime? So breaking chains before our time. We planted liberty for all to see. Now borders close only for me. We are not beggars. We are warriors of life. From their silence to today, the spirit's still alive.
here is still alive.
They try to erase us, but we wrote history. With broken hands and burning hearts, Haiti is not dead. Haiti is rising.
Haiti's Deal is right.
Dear world,
Look at what Haiti's done. We taught you freedom, not the gun. We gave you hope, we paid the fee.
now give us back our dignity. Dear world, hear our cry tonight. We still believe in what is right.
You can't bury truth in the sand.